How to dropship products from Temu to Shopify. Now, Temu does not officially support dropshipping, so manual methods are required. Avoid using any Temu dropshipping ads. First of all, you want to set up a Shopify store and choose a niche for your store. Then, you want to install the Zer app from the Shopify app store to manage the dropshipping process. Use Zer to find products on Temu, focusing on items with fast shipping. You want to create an account on Zer and select a pricing plan. Link a supplier like AliExpress to Zer or use the Zer Chrome extension for easier product imports. On Temu, browse products and use the Zer Chrome extension to import product details into your Shopify store. Set pricing by adding the Temu product cost, shipping, a 30% profit margin, and Shopify fees. When you get an order on Shopify, manually add the same product on your Temu cart, use the customer shipping info, and pay. Temu does not include invoices or receipts in the package, making it safer for dropshipping. Track orders manually by adding the Temu tracking number to Shopify. Stick to products with fast shipping to avoid delays. Handle returns or refund yourself as the middleman. Start small and scale by testing and finding successful products to dropship. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.